As we move into 2023, some of us might be hitting our health and wellness goals in stride, while others are struggling to find the willpower to keep going on. Now, finding the daily oomph to be fit is a common trend among individuals that just started their fitness journey in the new year. But this isn't the only person who deals with this. People who have been working out for multiple years also deal with lulls in their motivation and drive. What sets apart the people who actually stick to their fitness and health goals and the people who don't? There is one huge thing to consider that will change everything for you. Now, when you first start out in making your life healthier, you have so much energy and motivation to do so. You buy yourself new clothes, start shopping organic, and make hitting the gym a non-negotiable priority. Until the motivation quickly goes away. You wager if swapping a salad for a burger is really worth your time, and if getting all sweaty while working out is even making a difference. Even as someone who has been working out for a large portion of my life, I still go through these feelings almost daily. The thing that always brings me back into my health promoting behaviors is my why. What's your why? My why, or reason I remain healthy, goes back to why I first started working out. At family reunions, I noticed that everyone who was overweight always was complaining about health issues, some of whom died very young. When I become unmotivated and not feeling like I want to work out, I go back to this why. I don't want to become unhealthy. I don't want to have poor mobility. I don't want to die young. Instead, I'm going to do what is in my control to make sure I minimize the chances of these things happening. Going into your mind and understanding deeply why you are starting a fitness goal can be a source of endless motivation. So as we move through the new year, I have to ask again, what's your why? When you are struggling to pick up your workout shoes, push an extra rep in the gym, or put down that second helping of dessert, going back to this why can help give you the power you need to do what you desire. If you want to continue to improve your fitness regardless of your current abilities in life, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We help individuals of all abilities with topics like this in addition to navigating the gym, health, and fitness industry. And if the reason why you are struggling with your fitness goals is a lack of time, I think you would enjoy this video as well.
I'm out of it, to tell me